Yera Nana Kwame Bediako new force. Wache Nitia China. Omai so keen on Ghana. And Wache Nitia say Ghana economy has crashed. Ghana economy are crashing.
And China for now Mabahano. At the current year Mabahano, Mekachro, now to me. When says say Ghana for your economy are crashing. Na then a crash here. Yes, Ghana I work Romano. And no na Chroma for no business in a trading. Into Obia Fesica. No, the call China. And now Britain be no akotonoma F4 ewo Oba na government don't so they are shini trim 50% taxes. Government so agene there. The government agene there we no so yi no mana. No so they aba no so they are shoot trim times 10.
China says see a year to send your day mekai access to every aspect of Ghanaian's economy. Your gold shomonsa, your electricity shomonsa, your cocoa shomonsa, bibia shomonsa. I can't me no pe. Me no cry just to say it's here shomonsa. Me actually, and then you will be a friend home use goods. Yeah, to home use panties. Gross or be a share. Nwakoto ai we go be dia share nti so nwakoto toothbrush nyina home use for ton na bisa won say spiritually no what are they doing to you? They are destroying you. Enti Africa has become what we call a dumping site. Bola ye the bola ne siya celebrate some one man. What are they even doing to promote Ghana? None. Me mo bon kofo din ya besi you me nye but when me be celebrate it to me I say this is Italian shoe. You are a fool. Are you not in Ghana? Are you not a Ghanaian? Why are you wearing Italian shoe? Ghana ni dia and access can buy and came here big factory.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, I Xposed GH. Patron subscribe mommy the two pair now on sa akabi. We are still open for business, parties, wedding, anything. Yera Nana Kwame Bediako new force. Wache Nitia China. Omai so keen on Ghana. And Wache Nitia say Ghana economy has crashed. Ghana economy are crashing. That is the reality. Are crashing. Abubu. Now Oche Nia China efa so omububu ye. And na yanhwe year will come to what a total halt. Yenkwetie nyansamra.
And China for now Mabahano. At the current year Mabahano, Mekachro, now to me. When he says say Ghana for your economy are crashing. Now then a crash here. Yes, Ghana I work Romano. And no na Chroma for no business in a trading. Into Obia Fesica. No, the call China. And now Britain be no akotonoma F4 ewo Oba na government don't so they are shini trim 50% taxes. Government so agene there. The government agene there we no so yi no mana. No so they aba no so they are shoot trim times 10. Now aside the sikana no aside dia koma sikanura. Sikanura no muti China. Enti eteki 8 years. Na kakra omudi atwe sikani nyina free system nim. Na se say no omaka kire omo nkrofo se ahaw and the sikani free bar. Enti sikano emma to say before. Esa and no man kasa to ha. They say the omo ba beji wa ha. Enti destiny once no. Oma bakro num say sika kakra na mo no ewan. Enti they say woton ma wa. Na wo ba na wo be yi no man na woton ma obi times 10 na. Ono ba na ono and times 3. Enti the price ni ye chen wo de. How do you solve this problem? It's very simple. Adia na wo for China ni nyina no. Yebetimi aye ni nyina wa ha. Asemnu no kra nyina na maka kire no. Enu na maka, that's my policy. Industrialization. The minute this country adopts to industrialization, in the next 500 years, this man standing in front of you, Freedom Jacob Caesar, Osajefo Nana Kwame Bediako, be doing free wanum da. Because ube who say, I am no cre and I'm a debaye. Mo problem nyina no. Industrialization, you see plants me no ha 20,000 jobs. Ubeti me see 2,000 shops. Ni person na office ubeti ma employ mo. nipa 222 na ode ombetum nti 4000 usi factories be nu pe 20-30,000 people anya adwuma adie we da ho age se nipa ntimi nka se mo pese mo ka che me se leaders o ma banyina no o mo ntimi hu se this is our problem aya bro oh bronino oba ya no no ye ya bro nti ye nananom no o mo ma ye warning no mo say na abrofo we na mo pese mo no mo di agro o mo kan ya ye ntie na afede abrofo no o ma ba ye abrofo
isi ewiase nyansa ni ka asema ubie wadwum no watie ni yie obi a uni nyansa nipa ni ka asem ka won ti ase ba no nyansa ntimeti ase differently China started somebody omani chere Africa especially Ghana America send a letter e warning and say hey yankwa America say yen say China no mo uni ma me catch America the China kama say ekuro na ebu China oh ade na mo ye no eye ade o ma craft e na mo de ye enti edu time bi no o sia Ghana ni bia wa business o say me ko China ai o ko fa den me ko fa goods na beton omo man ye attractive say me ko na me de sika 2 cedis kwa member na me kwa 6 cedis Ghana ni so de ye nwen daache enti 6 cedis na menya no ekese menya sika enti emma Ghana nyina ye kukuru ye sika nyina eni ye de ko China koto goods ni buy because now they were looking for what markets ye de ba wie na sika na sa no omse da bi nkofo ye wie mo say China for the factories no the rep for other country mu enti niama na wo hia no you don't need to go to China but they've come enti wo kofa wo China ni tie ni yo ene wo kofa the 3 cities out on 4 cities no ono de the rep aba ene mo turn 3 cities enti wo no ya gudwa ai na onim ya fa be balance of trade the more you import the more your currency goes down. As a result of importing, your currency has become what we call worthless. And yet, China says, see a year, to send your day, make access to every aspect of Ghanaian's economy. Your gold, Shamonsa, your electricity, Shamonsa, your cocoa, Shamonsa, Bibia, Shamonsa. I can't me no cry, just to say, it's Shamonsa. One tiasier, media tiasier. Now, a systematic way, I say, you bring Africa down. Na sabi yam penny for oman yen kwachiri. Ya will be different trade barriers. Bisa who say identity trade barriers by. What do me no na ediga. Me ma wana SMJ 1. But Africa there, you the one kwani aje 4. It's in your man you dump it into you. Mean kwachiri. And then you will be different home use goods. Ya to home use panties gross obi a share no akoto ai we go be dia share nti so no akoto toothbrush nyina home use for ton na bisa ho say spiritually no what are they doing to you? They are destroying you. Into Africa has become what we call a dumping site. Bola ye the bola ne see ya obia pe bola no dia Africa and we are not seeing it. And no share or baby na bisana. Hey, me dem call China. Kwasi Jimmy. China now calling no is one yante. Me first akaba be kase. Me say factory Ghana. My employee kwafo. Who call China? China e Ni nyina ka hunti na Ghana ye gimie no a promax because eniyama see ye na country we kwaso ye nya. Onye sika no mo di kwafo miesa bomu. E na koko no ye set up wa na ikaye ya. Onim say ke be fa kwafo mo. China now nkwa na akọ oba wafa ni pattern ya mama wa etu ba ni bibi se wo ye value chain and a value added chain and a cocoa ni process ya you could be employing about 100 people. Do you know the worth of it? But when na me blame obi ya me blame ya penny for no because ye fa ni man to akwemu asebe ye betimi ehu say we can do this de bia no ye ya de a ye he ne tra because you penny for so no omo this kind of tra it's yes say we are pretending to work and they also what pretending to what pay us. Only how China got to where they are. But when my dear friend Chinese canvas I first near Charlene across my leg or to say Chan in your maniama na brainwashing mani enim. It's a new baby no obia Ghana ni akola okosko se to Chinese canvas mame na yenim se ye build obi krom ya se ye de na yesu ye won paboa bi ni afa tataw eno na no fo npa no mo hye rubber na mo de ye eno sha okopa ba bi ompene da obeka se wagimi but Chinese canvas no de ne ye hye wo se China for ye ya tunic omo suit no mo hye from top to bottom no bi ya hye. Celebrate someone maimu. What are they even doing to promote Ghana? None. Me mo bon kofo di ni abesi you me nye. But when me be celebrate to me I say this is Italian shoe. You are a fool. Are you not in Ghana? Are you not a Ghanaian? Why are you wearing Italian shoe? It you to Ghana ni dia and access can buy and came here big factory. It yan kese munu we are our own enemies. And now we say Ghana dia na obasre. Maybe I may shame Africa when I say me and wage me. Do Africa when me papa. MFA a idea said Obikwa Brochina Pamana or take pride. But ye we don't take pride. Shay and Papa let that in your money, we could have improved it. And should not Italy for you, let them on Metamco. What's anything I'm saying, Jimmy, and no yet in a promise. Because we let that now, we only had a win will at all watching the tussle. One of their quiet, one of their brother, the cow. Oko baby, shop baby. No, why proud with me? I sell Italian shoes. What about Ghanaian shoes? Are you not proud to be a Ghanaian? What to intelligence? You're proud. Are you not proud to be a Ghanaian? These are things that we call psychological. It's brainwashing. And we are falling for it. Wow, me. China a systematic way of running down Africa if you don't know. And then China and no machine about ye to Ghana, ye to Ghana say yes say yes you and then a we need to import water. Meanwhile China waters are clean. God wa China. Unima obibinia wo hwame. Wadwin ya adwuma. God wa China. Adena China for into gold na ono. God woman soon, Paco waters are clean. I don't be before ya Jimmy sa. Ya man ya make who saw a Bobby Bini. Because Utu Chrome, China nearby. Or Cassie and Cotugalans, and say, what to Ukrom Diana? Ukrom son yourself. Now, me semi could make media, Madden and mean cheap man ya piano. Bagana, the normal practice. Yan green that chain. A yan nenya medi. And then sika be bom bottom or china say am fam ho ye de say it na enye yi enti na ye wura na Kwame Bediako say samonim ya China for no ya make kire mo China for no a distraction no de bregana ye penny for they should sit up and enti na me no me say ye po be de omeye hye ni nsem a ene na Kwame Bediako because ono no onim threats no and onim what to do to stop them. Ya nyesa ni esan ko she NDC MPP sa ochina beton won si ton 5 cedis ye benya guys kana kesa sai eti wo a wo hwa me December wan ko to aba papa na to aba bonia enche meshen kom 10 years time ye beton ye nyina no man we are for sale. I Xposed GH from Beverly Sajo o subscribe man me the tum pe na sa ka be manuel si.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.